Hello, welcome to ePrime this evening. I am Daedran. Jamaican American actress and singer Sheryl created history Monday night after winning Best Supporting Actress in a Comedy Series at the 2022 Emmy Awards. She won for her role as Barbara Howard, a kindergarten teacher in the hit series Abbott Elementary. It's a first for Ralph, who is now the second black woman to win an Emmy in that category. She got a standing ovation after a heartfelt acceptance speech.
This is what striving looks like. And don't you ever give up on you. Because if you get a Quinta Brunson in your corner, if you get a husband like mine in your corner, if you get children like mine in your corner, and if you've got friends like everybody who voted for me, cheered for me, love me, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Sheryl is known for her roles in TV shows including the hit Moesha, The Proud Family, and Barbershop. Congrats, Sheryl.
Every man has his own special dream, and your dream's just about to come true. Life's not as bad as it may seem if you open your eyes to what's in front of you. We are dream girls, boys, so make it happy, yeah.
Now, dancehall sensation Shenseea continues to break barriers internationally. She was among the headliners at Rolling Out, the largest hip-hop festival recently held at Ontario Place, Toronto. She delivered a seductive set as she performed her hit song Henkel Glue, featuring dancehall artist Beenie Man. She also brought the house down with crowd favorites like Good Comfort and Side Chick Song. Other big acts at the festival were Lil Uzi Vert, Roy Wood, and Abra. Now, on the international scene, rapper PNB Rock has died. The 30-year-old, whose real name is Rakeem Allen, was fatally shot in a robbery Monday evening at the restaurant Roscoe's Chicken and Waffles in South Los Angeles. He's been in the music industry for almost a decade and is known for songs like Every Day We Lit with Wife and Lucci, Dangerous and Selfish. That's it for ePrime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching. Be safe.